Hello children, in the previous video we have discussed about the squamous, simple squamous epithelial tissue present in our body, and then we discussed about its structure, location, function also. So let's move further and see the next type of epithelial tissue. So children, the next type is stratified squamous epithelium or epithelial tissue. So, come to its structure. In this tissue, epithelial cells are arranged in many layers, and that is called as strata, isn't it? And the or different kinds of epithelial tissue means layers of same or different kinds of epithelial tissue means either the layers will made up of same kind of cells, same kind of epithelial tissues, or it can be of different kind of epithelial tissue. For example, we can see here, you can see at the base, cuboidal epithelial tissues are present, cube-shaped cells are present, and the others are the squamous epithelial, simple squamous epithelial cells, isn't it? And they all are arranged in layers, the strata, and that is why it is called as stratified squamous epithelial tissue. And because the basic character feature, very important feature of epithelial tissue is the extracellular membrane. So you can see here basement membrane also. And such type of tissues are basically present in the skin and cornea. And as far as its function is concerned, it protects the underlying parts from mechanical injury, germs, etc. So basic role is the protection and sometimes secretion also. Now children, come to the third part, that is cuboidal epithelium. And as the name itself suggests, the cells of this epithelial tissue are cuboidal in shape, almost cube shaped, we can say. Along with this basement membrane, you can see the structure. And children, they are found in the walls of kidney tubules and in the ducts of the glands such as salivary glands, etc. And functions are same as that of stratified squamous epithelial tissue. And now come to the columnar epithelial tissue. So children, columnar epithelial tissue contains vertically arranged cylindrical or brick-like cells. Can you see here? These cells are usually tall in size, pillar-like, isn't it? Column-like, we can say pillar-like, and that is why the name is given columnar epithelial tissue. And you can very clearly see the basement membrane again present here. Now children, such type of tissues are found in the inner lining of stomach and intestine, and the function is protection, means protecting the underlying part, then absorption of certain materials, and at the same time secretion also. Now move to the another type, and that is the ciliated columnar epithelium. Children, at some places in the body, columnar epithelial tissue has cilia on its free surfaces, and such type of columnar epithelial tissue will be called as ciliated columnar epithelial tissue. You can see very clearly on its free ends, you can see here like structure which are called as cilia, and that is why it is called as ciliated columnar epithelium. And it is present in the inner lining of trachea. And children, cilia constantly keep lashing and move the materials which enter in this region, in the tracheal region. And the next type is glandular epithelium. Children, this epithelial tissue consists of large cells which secrete chemical substance, and at certain places in the body This glandular epithelium is folded inward to form compact hollow or tubular glands. Examples, all the glands which are present in our body, for example, salivary gland, sweat gland, tear glands, they all are example of glandular epithelial tissue. And the function is secretion of enzymes and hormones. So children, this was all regarding the different types of epithelial tissue. In the next video we will discuss about the different types of connective tissue. Till then, goodbye.